Meet Steve. Steve is a lower limb amputee who lost his leg above the knee due to the complications from diabetes. Due to his amputation, Steve's mental and physical health are both taking a toll because he is now dependent on his family for moving around and has lost all his freedom. Today, Steve found out about Quantum prosthetic and orthotic clinics. He contacted Quantum and made an appointment for a free prosthetic consultation. Quantum educated Steve regarding the prosthetic options and discussed the functional goals with him. After the insurance authorization is complete, Steve's residual limb was scanned. Steve was fit with the most appropriate and advanced prosthetic leg by our American board-certified prosthetist. Steve is back to his happy space again as he is now able to walk again. He can get back to his favorite outdoor activities such as fishing, golfing, hiking, cycling, and playing with his kids with the help of his new prosthesis. Quantum Prosthetics and Orthotics will continue to follow up with Steve to ensure ongoing success and well-being. Please call our clinic at 312-300-4472 or go to www.quantumpo.com and make an appointment for a free prosthetic or orthotic consultation.